I don't know if you can even see those little tiny, tiny ducks moving around in the center of the screen there. It must be like little baby coots or something. Look at how tiny they are.
Oh, there comes the hawk again. Look at him.
Oh, God.
Look at him. Is that him?
That's not the same hawk. That one's like, I don't know if that's a blackbird or a raven or something. I think maybe it's the little ducks of of like a Minnie and Mo. Maybe it's their little baby ducks. There's these really tiny ducks down here. They're really close to Minnie and Mo. See on the right there's Minnie and Mo. Oh, maybe for the sun. For the sun, maybe. They're so little, those little baby pee-pee. Little ducklings. See those little tiny things going around? They must have been just born. These little baby ducks down here that belong to Minnie and Mo. They're so little. Yeah, those are so big, the little goslings. But over here that I'm taking a picture of, they're really tiny because I think they belong to, to mallards, to the little regular laying ducks. See how little they are? Remind me to show you the video of the little tiny ducklings.
Yeah, I would like to see.
Because I don't think you can see them. See the little ones? Nietzsche. You got a Kleenex? You got one? I think it's by your seatbelt there. Oh, yeah. I think that little girl's feeding him. There's a couple on the left there. They're moving over there. See little tiny ones over there?